Look what I got here today, an instant holder from the Dunhuang Academy online store.
It's inspired by the Cashin ceiling in Cave 407. Over 8,000 of these have been sold on a single platform, alongside hundreds of other Dunhuang-related products.
In 2017, the Dunhuang Academy launched its online shop and saw its cultural product sales exceeded 17 million yuan in the first year. From January to July, northwest China's Gansu province, where Dunhuang is located, welcomed 196 million tourists. By August 13th, Dunhuang's 6 most famed attractions, including the Mogao Grottoes and the echoing Sun Mountains, saw over 4.5 million visitors, up 29.39% from 2019. So, what makes Dunhuang a trending travel destination? First of all, Dunhuang's popularity stems from its deep cultural roots.
With the revered Mogao Grottoes
and historical sites like Yangguan and Yumenguan, famous passes along the ancient Silk Road.
In recent years, the government has vigorously promoted the protection and restoration of cultural heritage, which has further highlighted the charm of Dunhuang.
Secondly, its natural scenery is just unforgettable.
The Crescent Lake, Yada National Geographic Park, as well as vast deserts and wetlands,
all make the experience quite fascinating. Moreover, Dunhuang offers vibrant tourist activities such as camel rides at sunrise, local culinary delicacies at the night market, and captivating theatrical performances. And last but not the least, Dunhuang's popularity continues to rise due to its ever-improving transportation system. So, let me know what you think of Dunhuang in the comments below.